Gates open, dead up and racing. Shimmer Joe draws for your lead. Dancing Slew, Leica in Manila. Center Can moving a party outside. Primavera in between runners. Gray Magic, Dream Tower, then running by the rail is Dagger Look, followed by entry number 1, Guided Missile Reporter. Running third last, Madame Leonora alongside C-Star. Then comes entry number 3, Alam Mo Na Yan. And trailing the group is Hakuna Matata. As they turn to the last 400, we have Shimar Joe. She's about a length and a half in front. Running on the outside is Gray Magic. Center Can as they turn to the last 200. Shimmer Joe leading the field. Gray Magic moving up on the outside, giving the final burst of energy. Now moves up to take the lead. Gray Magic this time by about 2 lengths over Shimmer Joe, Dagger Look, and finally Gray Magic, Dagger Look, Shimmer Joe, Leica in Manila, Center Can, Guided Missile, and number 11, Dream Tower.